another new video with new hair, and today's video is all about nude lipstick. Basically more inclined towards brown skin. Everyone has different definition for nude lipstick. What I think, it should be nearly to your skin tone, and that can be treated as a nude lipstick for your skin tone. So any color can be a nude lipstick, but it depends what kind of skin tone do you have. And it can be on the warmer side, it can be on the cooler side. So there are a lot of options for you ladies. So let's start. So the first one I have is this from MAC Matte WHIRL. This is really good color. This is nice brownish shade and warmer in tone. This is more on the matte side, so no gloss baby. And the next one I have, this is like my most current favorite. It's a lip liner from PRIMARL and it's really good. The shade name is Red Velvet. Especially I like to pair this look with, you know, smoky eyes. I just love this color for that. And the next one I have is from NYX. This is NYX Lingerie and the shade is Ruffle Trim. This is actually a liquid lipstick. You can get more of the pinkish and orangish tone in this. I think you know it already. I use this color more often on my Instagram videos. The texture is on the liquid side, so sometimes I also use it as my eyeshadow and also my blush. By the way, follow me on my Instagram page if you want to see more of the short videos. I regularly post short videos on my Instagram, and you can see the Instagram link in the description box below, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. With this haircut, I can not see with my one eye, so always I need to do like this. I might say I'm suffering. Honestly, what I think about this haircut, sometimes I look like a man and sometimes I look like a woman. So it's a little bit weird, and sometimes I look really beautiful in a particular angle. When I did my haircut, on the next day I was regretting that, oh shit, what I have done to my face and what I have done to my hair. So I want my hair to grow really fast, and I'm taking biotin tablets for that. The next I have this art stick from Bobbi Brown. It is also a really good color and the shade name is Bear. I actually don't use this a lot because I don't know, it has some white tint in it. It actually make my face look grey, so I don't use it a lot, but whenever I use it, I mix it with another more of the nude shades. So the next favorite is this from AREZIA Matte Me. This is a really nice brownish shade, more on the earthy tone, and it looks really good with smoky, with, you know, dark smoky eyes. I like to use this color more on the in evening, so it goes really well with the evening look. It actually makes your lips matches with your skin tone, but still a little bit of different, and it actually pops out your dramatic eyes. So I have two bonus lipstick for people who have more lighter skin tone than me. NYX lipstick, one is Zurich shade and one is London. So this shade is more on the pinkish side. I don't use it more often because it makes my skin look grey. And another one, London. This will also really look good for people who have lighter skin tone than me. I actually use this color more than the other one, Zurich one, because it looks really good. And also, I have one more favorite nude lipstick from Maybelline. This is a COLORSHOW Creamy Matte Lip Cream from Maybelline. See, I've used this a lot. Please don't mind my nail paint. So more on the cool tone, but it doesn't make your skin look grey. It also matches my lip color, my natural lip color, so I like this color for that. So these were my favorite nude lipstick. And yeah, I know, like I haven't spoken in my video since a long time because of some technical difficulties on my camera and everything, but now everything is fine and I'm set to go, baby. That's all for today's, guys, and thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you in my next video.